Skiing is in my blood. As a kid and growing up, my excitement for skiing came from the race course and going fast. I love every part of it. From putting on cold ski boots early in the morning to standing on top of a race course, freezing, but excited to drop in. Now my excitement comes from walking around in the mountains, being able to skin and tour to wherever I want to go. I ski raced until I was 19 years old, and I am so grateful to have that background and that foundation for my skiing.